it's your girl Chic, aka LAL. It is time for me to do my nails again, so I'm just showing y'all what products I'm going to be using today. If you're going to do this, you'll want the BT Art Box Soft Gel Soak Off Nails. They are base coat free. And get your alcohol white pad, as well as I'm using this glue. I'll link everything down below. These are nail stickers. And the glue requires a UV lamp, but you'll need cuticle oil, a base coat, and top coat as well. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. Hey, it is time to get this party started. These are my clean, bare hands. We are going to use this file just to go ahead and file our nails. We want to make sure we remove any shine, anything like that. And you don't need a really heavy duty file to do this because you don't want to damage your nail plate. You don't want to do that. It is now time to take this alcohol pad to wipe off any of the dust that we created from filing, plus any excess oils on the fingers or anything of that nature. Y'all get what I'm saying, right? Yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nothing special. Time to pop open these BT Art Box nails that your girl got from Amazon. I will always link everything down below, so check the description for each video. But yeah, these are pretty affordable because you get a lot of sets, as you can see. All you need to do is take a stack off of the top right here, and that's going to be the one you work with for that particular session or that moment that you're doing your nails. Okay, so it is measuring time, and in order to select the nail, I just leave everything attached as is, and I don't pull it off until I ensure that it fits. Once I know it fits, I roll with it like that. Yeah, baby. So that's what I'm doing. Just going through, selecting my sizes, and it's really not hard to remove them. You just twist it ever so slightly, and it comes right on off. Here goes the good part, loves. It is time to pop these babies on. So I have this Beetles single nail gel lamp, and this is the glue. I will link it down below. But yeah, this has to be set. It will not dry if you don't have a lamp. So you just need a little bit. You don't need to apply a whole lot, by the way. And then you just have to hold it down. I will be using clips just to show you how to use clips, but you don't really have to if you are steady enough with your hand to where you can just press it down and hold it. And you just put it under for at least 20 seconds. And then after that, it'll be set. And yeah. Okay, she is all set just like that. Super simple. And just like I was telling y'all, this is a very beginner friendly tutorial. They might look fancy and look nice, but I promise you this one is easy, sugars. This one's super easy. We're gonna go ahead and finish the other nails, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Now I'm going to place my whole hand under this Modelone's lamp, and we're going to do this for 60 seconds, which is a minute. So all you need is 60 seconds. This step just ensures that they are fully set, so that once you start filing, they don't get to falling off on you. But yeah, we're just going to take the file and just file enough to get the knobs smooth on the tips. You know how they were all together and you had to pull them apart after you tried on the nails? That little knot that's always on the end of the nails, that's what we're trying to just make sure it's flat and nice and smooth at the end. We're not trying to reshape or, make them short or nothing like that. Party in the house. It's time to pop on our nail stickers. This part is exciting because it's super easy, but it's going to give the nails some character. I've never had actual stickers that weren't decals, but these take a little bit to get them off. You could do it with your fingers. You really don't need to use tweezers like I thought I would need to be doing, but they're super cool. So I'm just showing y'all they're not super flat. They're a little bit raised. I don't know if you want to call them, I guess, 3D, because they are not all the way flat, but I really think I like these, and the texture is really cool too. So you just apply them and then top with base coat and clear. I go in with base coat and then clear, so my clear don't end up pulling off later. All you got to do is just pull off one of the stickers of your choice, and it's a little tricky because you want to align it. If you do mess up, you can gently pull it back up and then replace, put it where you want it and then press down on it. That's all you got to do. It's not too hard, and once you start getting used to it, it goes a little bit faster as well, depending on the sticker that you're trying to apply and exactly where you're trying to place it. Okay, so we got our stickers on our nails, and we are going to go in with the base coat. And I got this Amy Lee base coat. It came as a set with the Amy Lee top coat from Amazon, and I just like to apply the base coat and then apply the top coat. That way the top coat does not just peel off a couple days after having the nails done. Sometimes when you have shiny nails, that can happen. The gel top coat can just peel off, and I hate that. Time to go ahead and set the base coat for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna go in with the top coat. Now it is time to go ahead and apply our top coat, and we're gonna apply it, and then we are going to set that also for 60 seconds. That does it. So it's time to go ahead and apply cuticle oil to our cuticles. I got this from Amazon as well. This is honey cuticle oil. I love this cuticle oil. But that pretty much does it. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the other hand, and then I will be right back. And boom, we cute. We super cute. Y'all, I love them. They came out fabulous. As promised, they are super easy. Tag me. Let me know if you decide to try it. Let me know down in the comments if y'all like them, what y'all think. But they are definitely easy. The glue feels like a really good secure hold. I will give y'all an update later on as far as that goes. I hope that y'all did make it official and join the LAL fam. I love y'all so much. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Y'all, I am loving doing my nails and sharing this experience with y'all. Your girl loves you. Be positive, and I'll catch you next time. Later, loves.